Hi. Topic of this article: 3 things to avoid including in an MBA statement of purpose. Published on the www.saedge.com website. Editing and proofreading service for applications for admissions to college and graduate school. We give $25 with the promo code Best Editing. So, let's move on to maintenance. When you think about writing your MBA statement of purpose, it is as important to consider what to avoid including in your essay as it is to focus on what you will include. Statement of purpose for MBA admission could be the document in your application which results in an offer of admission to the program. Learn more. MBA personal statement examples for your incredible success. MBA SOP purpose in the admission process. Right at the moment when you see the required documents for your admission process, you may find such points: a personal statement, MBA recommendation letter, an application statement of purpose for MBA. Your SOP is one more crucial paper to complete the whole admission process because it describes intentions and perspectives you will implicate into your future life. You have to consider this fact as the most important one while deciding on how to write a business school statement of purpose. The admission tutors have one more possibility to find out some unknown and specific facts about you. You have to submit the SOP to demonstrate to the admission tutor your readiness and ability to become a part of the university community and fit into it the best. Tell the reader about the things you want to take from the educational process and the things you want to bring into it. Remember that you have to write everything as you are in your MBA SOP. Sincerity is the best way to present your personality without any further additional issues. We have prepared some extra important points to concentrate on in your SOP. If you stick to these pieces of advice in your statement of purpose, business school chances of admission will increase immediately. Learn more. MBA essay examples for your inspiration. 3 things to concentrate on in your statement of purpose. Business school admits you. Sometimes applicants should think about eluding admissions pitfalls by avoiding the following 3 things in their statement of purpose for MBA. 3 important things to consider when writing MBA statement of purpose from our MBA essay review perspective. An essay that has good ideas but is poorly written will not help the applicant. Usage of bad grammar, misspelled words, incorrect sentence construction, lack of punctuation, inconsistent verb tenses, and inappropriate wording can all contribute to a potential loss of offer of admission. Unfortunately, when statement of purpose for MBA is not well written, it may be difficult for the admissions committee to appreciate it. The opportunity to impress the reader is lost if the reader struggles to understand the applicant's essay. MBA statement of purpose admission which duplicates information found on the applicant's other materials can leave a negative impression on the reader. The applicant should be creative in writing statement of purpose MBA and not merely repeat information that can be found on the resume or CV, transcripts, and other parts of the application. Being redundant in a statement of purpose MBA can be a wasted opportunity for the applicant to convince the admissions committee of their candidacy. The admissions committee has the folder containing all the applicant's documents and generally hopes to use the statement of purpose to learn something new that is not covered elsewhere about the potential student. It could be annoying for the reader to cover the same materials repetitively. Be creative and use the MBA SOP as an opportunity to stand out from the crowd and personalize your application. The MBA statement of purpose should include a declaration of long-term goals. The reader will not be impressed by a statement that clearly confesses that the student has not yet thought about a career. The reader hopes to learn what the applicant wants to do with the degree after earning the MBA. Impress the reader with a well-thought-out plan and your reasons for pursuing an MBA. 3 things to mention in your statement of purpose MBA. As we have clarified the things to concentrate on in your SOP, here is the list of top 3 things to mention if you are struggling with the issue of how to write a statement of purpose for MBA and what to include in the essay. Answer these 3 questions in the SOP to create a comprehensive overview of your personality. What will I take from the studying community? You enter the educational institution to get some benefit out of it. Therefore, describe what exactly you want to learn and find out. Write about the opportunities you will receive after completing the degree program and the skills you will achieve during the studying process. Be specific in your MBA application statement of purpose. Avoid using general cliches and phrases like, "I will make the world a better place." That is not a good idea. What will I contribute to university life? It is the rule not only of taking but also of adding. Tell the reader about your extraordinary ideas, skills, and abilities to impress the admissions committee. Reading your statement of purpose, business school has to realize that you are the one who stands out among other applicants and the one who is ready to work for the university community. What will I do after my graduation? Think closely about your future perspectives. Write down what you will do after graduation, how you will implicate gained knowledge into your future life and work. Don't neglect to mention everything you want to reach with the help of the educational background in a particular educational institution. To help yourself cope with this task, you can refer to samples and make up your own thoughts relying on the examples. 3 things to do before you submit your MBA statement of purpose. Creating statement of purpose MBA to be engaging seems the toughest and most labor-cost thing ever. You have to put a lot of effort into the essay to prove that you are a perfect candidate for studying. We have prepared 3 important things that you should stick to. Peruse your essay. Get assured that everything is written correctly and properly. In case you feel any doubt, you can refer to SOP editing to be absolutely sure that your essay is a gripping one. Ask for feedback. Refer to your colleagues, friends, or superior and ask them to read your essay. They may notice something important that you may have left without attention. Stick to the requirements. Check several more times whether your SOP sticks to the conditions or not. Check the font, word limit, and the way you have to submit your essay. End of article. Remember the promo code and get help with editing and proofreading documents with essayedge.com. Bye.